Yeah, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to Fashion and Blasting. My name Tim, and I just hit a milestone on this channel. I hit 1,000 subscribers. I know that's petty numbers to some.
Yeah, I jerk off, yeah.
How many times a week?
Like, three, four times, maybe.
I gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers in this racket.
But I appreciate all y'all fuckers for coming to fuck with my videos. I put a lot of time and money in these guns, and I'm not getting any money back from this. It's just my love for firearms. But as I said in one of my earlier videos, I'm a man of my word. If anybody know me, they already know this. But I'm gonna give a lucky subscriber a 1-in-6 optic. This is primary arms. It got the quick throw lever on this, and it's going to one of you lucky fuckers. But all you guys gotta do to get on this challenge, you gotta like my last 3 videos, pit packing never lacking, and on under this video you pit done. November 1st, I'm going to be picking one of the lucky subscribers, and I'm gonna do it live, so I'll let y'all guys see how I pick whoever wins this. Y'all send me your information and I send this back out for you. And as y'all know, stay safe. By staying safe, stay dangerous, and I see y'all on my next video.